Hi, I am Shomadip. I am in a mission to stay fit and divided my objective in two parts. I am currently doing objective 1, that means 10 km for 10 days. This is a plan that will make me fit and make me more healthy. Join me in my quest. Share and subscribe if you want to be the part of.
Good morning. Today is Sunday, and again that fun day. I have started my working today. Today is my sixth day of my objective 1. So I'll be working for around 10 to 12 kilometers in the new route, and that is the Zoo route. Today is 8th of October, November, sorry, 8th of November, and I'm doing my objective 1. Still I'm doing the objective 1, and today is 6th day. Chalo, meet you at the route. This is a park and people come for a walk. Oh, you can see some of the people still doing their workout. I woke up late today, and this is going to be a normal phenomenon, I think. So I woke up at 7 a.m. today. And weekends are made for movies. So my contribution in movies and some series goes on for around till late, and if you see, things will go on like this. You have to contribute to your fitness, contribute towards entertainment. Everything will be there, and you have to manage. But if today is a working day, then getting up at say 7 a.m., I could have not gone for the workout. Today is Sunday, so I don't have a problem. I can do it for around 10 a.m. As you know, I'm just leading a bachelor life in Patna because my family are all in Kolkata and they have not came yet. So when my family will come, so I have to again I have to make some differences with the routine. I have to adjust myself. So it will be there. The very good part is that I am light now. So if you say light means, yes, light means I started with 76 kilos and I am now 74 kilos. So basically 7 days of workout, intense workout or just intense walking has shaded my 2 kilo of weight. So I'm happy on that. So I'm inside the zoo. You'll see many people are doing their workout, morning walk, jogging. It's a great environment. You see some big trees, and the environment and the ambience is very right. It starts from morning. Just see, people are involved and they are doing all sorts of physical activities. This is a great place, I love it. This place is ardently nice. It's serene, People are all like-minded. People are all coming. They're exploring the places. They're going for a jogging and running. It's a very good place. Actually, they are not using mobiles, and they are all involved in jogging and running. This is a nice place, and I can always contribute myself here. I can always put myself for 5 kilometers to 10 kilometers running only here. It's a great place. Catch you up. Hi all, I have completed my 6th day of my quest of walking for 10 kilometers, 10 to 12 kilometers. Today I have completed 12.38 kilometers for 2 hours 18 minutes, and I have spent around 1400 kilocalories. So this is my 6th day. I have completed my 6th day and 4 more days to go for my running exposure. So contributing for the last 6 to 7 days for my health for around 2 hours, 2.5 hours actually made me light, and I'm very much comfortable on that. I'm very much comfortable and very much enthusiastic about some of the things that I'm going to do in future. For example, running for 5 kilometers and 10 kilometers. I have gone to the new route today, and I have explored Total Zoo, and you see, if you I really find a serene environment with a peaceful, and people are all very much involved in jogging, walking, and doing exercise, and this is a right place for anyone who want to actually contribute for health. But it is too far from me, and it is around 4 kilometers, so I was just planning that how I'm going to go each and every day to 4 kilometers, and again I have to do for 5 kilometers walking or running anyway. So I have not subscribed for the subscription they have offered, but I was still in hold that what I will be doing anyway. So today is Sunday. I woke up late and I gone for the walk, and today is also, I woke up around 7 a.m. and I started walking at 7:30, and I completed my workout at 10 a.m. So it is possible for Sunday, but it's not possible in the weekdays. So again, there is a improvement I have to do in that, which is not still yet to be done. If you see about the weight management, yes, my contribution has given me something. My contribution my contribution is consistent, and I have lost 2 kilos of weight. Means I have started my walking at 76 kilos, and now I am 74 kilo. So if I remember that I used to be at 74 before lockdown. So after lockdown, after so many months without workout, without going outside, so I have gained 2 kilo. And now if you find my weight, now I have gone to my previous record of 74 kilos. So my next objective should be doing the next 4 days of 10 to 12 kilometers that I'm planning to complete in the next week. And after next week, I will be doing my running exercise, and 10 kilometers or 5 kilometers will actually help me to prepare myself for more faster and more bigger goals from now. So again, catch you there tomorrow or day after tomorrow when I go for the seventh day of my objective 1. Bye.